To know how to get the maximum possible discount on PiPiADS AI, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Click on the first link given in this video's description and then log into your PiPiADS account. Go to the pricing section. Now you can compare the benefits and choose a plan that you want. One important thing to note is you can use this tool for 3 days with just $1 as a trial, and I think you should make complete use of this offer. After this, if you pay annually, you get a 30% discount. So if you found the tool to be helpful in the first 3 days, try to go for the annual plan, and I will show how you can get an additional 20% discount. However, if you want to test it out more, you can purchase a monthly plan, and you will get a 20% discount with the coupon code. So, select any plan and click Get Started. On this page, you will find the option to add a coupon code. Enter AFF coupon and click Apply Coupon. You can see our coupon is valid. Our total price has been reduced by 20%, and we already received a 30% discount by selecting the annual plan, giving us a total discount of almost 50%. Now, click on Get Started, and you will be redirected to the payment page. Here, you can fill out all the details and complete the payment. Now, if you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can generate videos completely for free, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.